Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you the easiest way that I found to make an easy drawstring gift bag. To make this bag, you'll need to use cotton fabric that is 6 inches wide and 12 inches high. You'll also need the same amount cut out of some lining fabric. You can use a roll of cord or ribbon for the drawstrings. Take your lining piece and fold the fabric in half with right sides together and clip the side seams. Make a mark that is 2 inches wide at one of the sides. Sew the sides using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, but leave a gap where we marked. Now take your main fabric piece and fold the fabric in half with right sides together and clip the side seams. We're going to mark some notches at the top, so grab a ruler and a pen. Mark the first notch 3/4 of an inch down from the top edge on both sides. Then mark another notch 3/4 of an inch down from that one on both sides. Clip the top of the side seams and in the same way, sew the side seams but leave a gap between the notches. Open out the sides and press the seam allowances flat on both the lining and the main fabric. Then turn the main fabric piece out with your fingers and use a point turner or a pencil to get clean corners. Press the bag flat with your iron. Now you'll have one main fabric that is turned right side out and the lining that is still wrong side out. Put the main bag inside the lining so right sides are together and align the side seams. Pin the rest of the top edge and sew all around using a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. You'll need to adjust the bag as you sew it to make sure you're not catching anything underneath. Then find the gap in the lining that we left and pull the entire bag right side out. Use your fingers and push the lining out too. You'll have the main fabric at one end and the lining on the other end. Then find the gap in the lining and sew it closed. Now open the bag out and push the lining inside the main bag. You'll want to roll the lining inside so you don't see it from the right side. Use your iron to press it in place all around. The bag should look like this, and on both sides you'll see the gaps we've left for the drawstring. Now we're going to sew 3 lines all around to help keep everything in place. One will be 1/8 of an inch from the top edge, the other will be 1/4 of an inch from the top edge, and the other will be 1 1/4 inch from the top edge. You can mark these in place with a pen and join the lines on the front and the back. Then sew slowly on your sewing machine and maneuver the fabric around as you sew all 3 of these lines. The bag should now look like this. Clip away any spare threads with your scissors. I'm using cord for the drawstring, so cut 2 lengths that each measure 16.5 inches. Take a safety pin and push one of the cord ends through the little gap to help keep it in place. Then use your hands and starting from the left edge, thread the cord all the way round and out the other side. Once it's out, tie a knot at the ends to secure it together. Then repeat the exact same steps with the right edge and thread the other drawstring around and tie a knot. And here's the final drawstring gift bag. It's honestly the easiest and quickest method I love to use, and it's fully lined, making it a really cute and thoughtful gift. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please check out all my other easy sewing patterns on my website and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.